my gosh, really? How does that not fit?
Same
exact size, huh?
Yeah. We got
needed a coupler?
Yeah.
Hold on. Ready? Count us down. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. We let loose more than half the tank.
Piece of plastic.
Ornament. One poinsettia over there. And there were more than that. I don't know where they went.
Piece of the slug is here.
The other half of it is right here. Broke it in half. I'm pretty sure that tree got skewered through the board.
Yeah, there's a piece of it through. This was round, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Just smashed it flat.
Pull it out.
Now, is the cord still on the end of the plug?
It is.
See if the lights work.
Most of the bulbs look like they're shattered.
This is just like even ripped off.
There we go.
Got some like plywood jammed inside of it. Smashed it flat.
We should probably stick the tree back before Dave notices.
Probably put it back in the stand.
Thanks to everyone who supported our channel this year, watched our videos, even the sucky ones. And we've been working really hard, and we got a little bit of a present for you guys.
If your Christmas sucked and you want something that's actually cool and useful and helps support me and Dan and Craig, buy some shirts. We've got like 5 new designs. They've all been lick test approved. You gotta check them out.
We're really happy with these new designs. And guess see you next year.
Line.